In this video, you'll quickly learn how to invite students or ask students to join their class in Google Classroom. First, launch your web browser and I recommend Google Chrome, okay? So I will double click on it. Once your browser opens, visit classroom.google.com. You can see the web link here. Now this will show some classes you have already created in the recent time. And here I have only one class I created. All right, so I will click on this one, which is basic Excel class. Okay, here there is class code here. So I can click on this and then I will copy this. All right, so once I copy it, I will send it to the student who is going to click on it to join the class. So let's do it. Then let me visit my gmail.com, or I have it bookmarked, so I'll click on it. Then the next step is to click on compose. I have already pasted the link, all right, in the body section. So the recipients, I will click here and type the email address of the student I want to join the class. I look at the email address here. So subject, I can say join the basic Excel class. So the subject is basic Excel class. I can say join the class using the link below. So I have composed this. The body section reads join the class by clicking the link below. So the next step is to send. Once I send it and he gets it from his own inbox, he needs to click and join the class. So let me send. So this has been sent to my student in this case. So this is one of the ways through which you can send a request to somebody to join your class in Google Classroom. Another way is by adding the email directly. So let's do that. So once you open the class, just as I have basic Excel class, click on people. So once you click on people, look at the student section, click on this human icon with plus. Then type the email address of the person. Okay, so I have typed the email address and it has been added. So the next step is to click on invite. So this person will get an invite link and he needs to click on that to do what? To join the class. So we have discussed two ways through which you can add students to your class. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. A product is displayed on this screen is one of my products. So when you click and buy, you are supporting this channel. When you get to my store, you can still check other products. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.